Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dipesh, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the CrewAI, and this is the latest repository coming out from the GitHub, and we are going to talk about it. Okay, guys, so I'll put this GitHub repos link in the description, and you can go to this repo itself, and you can check it out. So this is just like an alternative of agents and all that we used to create with the auto agents and all. So with the help of this CrewAI, you can create agents to assume roles, and by collaborating multiple agents, they can able to do some work. So here you can see the basic installation method, and if you want, you can integrate with the Langchain tools and other stuff. And well, you can use the Ollama model if you don't have the OpenAI model. If you have the OpenAI model, that's great. By default, it uses the OpenAI model. And apart from that, if you want to use some other model that I'm going to show you how you can use the GGUF model, so that I'm going to show. So here you can see I have written this code in the Google Colab. You can get link of this Google Colab notebook from the description itself. So first of all, you need to start by installing some of the libraries that I already installed it. So I'm not going to install it again. Few of the imports, and again you need to import C transformer if you are planning to use the blocks GGUF model. So this is the little function that I have written here. So basically, you can call this function, and you can load the blocks model, the GGUF architecture model. So here you can see I'm loading here the Mistral's model, and it's a Open Hermes 2.5 Mistral 7 billion GGUF model that I'm trying to load here. And even you can see this particular page, like which model I'm loading here and all. And if you want to know more about this, you can load the model with the help of Langchain and all. You can watch the videos tutorial from my channel that I have already uploaded. If you want to load model via Ollama, you might need to install Ollama and other stuff. That's a completely different process. Well, if you don't want to use C transformer models, basically what you can do, you can directly comment this line LLM equal to LLM in this agents, and with the help of that, you will be able to load. Uh, by default, it uses the OpenAI model, so you can basically comment it out if you want, and by default, it uses the GPT-4 model. Anyway, so I hope once you have your model ready with you, for time being, I'm using the Google Colab because it provides you some GPU and other stuff. Anyway, so here I have created two agents. You can see the first agent is researcher, and I have written the goal of this research goal here, like a research of an AI and the data science topics. So again, a backstory I have written a little bit. I have also added some backstory here. So again, with the writer, again, I have given some task here. Okay. So after creating this agent, one agent is like in researcher, and another is writer. Then I have created two tasks. In task itself, you need to define like suggest the trending topics and all. In the description, you need to again suggest like what it needs to do. So I'm saying write a blog post article under 300 words. So after that, you need to attach your agent with the task. So in task one, I have added researcher. In task two, I have added writer. So this is how we have created the task and agent. Well, here you can see I have also added one tool, which is nothing but DuckDuck Search Go tool that is directly from the Langchain itself. So you can create custom tool also. I have already uploaded video on the same, so you can watch that. After that, here you need to create a crew. Crew we already imported. Here you need to add agents, tasks, your verbs, and the process. Process dot sequential you can write basically, and you need to just create a result equal to crew.kickoff. That's it. Then basically you can print out the result, and here you can see that there because of some limitation and all the context window length. So uh, it, it um it's giving me some warnings and all. So basically here you can see uh, although my model is working, it's having some thoughts, it's taking some actions here. Again, it's doing some stuff here. And after doing all this stuff, it's say chain is finished. And after it has written something. It's completely nonsense. But when you use actual large language model like Llama 2 or the OpenAI's model, it will give you a pretty much good result. So guys, here you can see another example where you can use your OpenAI key along with some different example where you can use agents and you can give some different instruction and all. And this is directly from this official repo. You can try out this different example and you can see like how it's working. So basically, with the help of this Crew AI, you can create multiple agents and let them work together for some dedicated task and it will do your task. And there are some other example repos as well and you can check it out. There are some trip planner, stock analysis and other stuff is there. So I recommend you please do check it out, all this stuff. So thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to do subscribe and also the bell icon to get notified about all of which videos. This is the sign out. Meet you soon in the next video.